Welcome to DIY Station. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install the new XBMC system, Kodi 14.0 Helix. Okay, let's get right to it because I don't want to waste anybody's time. Okay, I'm going to go to Kodi.tv or www.kodi.tv. That is the new and updated version of XBMC. They changed their name and their overall website name. Nothing really changed on the website except uh, the new Kodi that just got built. So we'll go to downloads, and then from here we see stable release Kodi 14.0 Helix. You choose whichever one works with the OS you're running on right now. What this tutorial is to show you how to install it on Windows. So I'm gonna install the one from Windows right here. As you can see, it's installing right here. It's downloading right here, but I already have mine downloaded, so I'm not gonna bore you with the process of having to wait to download that. Watch me do that. Okay, from there, I'm just gonna install my .exe file right here. Same install process for any .exe file. So you just go yes, next, I agree, next, install, and then it's gonna start extracting. Right here and doing the regular install thing. I'm gonna pause the video for a minute because it's gonna take about a minute or two to do this right here. So okay guys, as you can see, the setup is complete, and I'm just gonna skip all these, and then okay, so as you can see, it says completed. It's already completed right here. So I'm just gonna tick run Kodi. You can just search for it on your system if you already installed it. After installing it, and then just open it from there. But I'm just gonna tick it so it just runs it right away. Then I'm gonna finish, and then we're gonna go right away. We're gonna go straight up to the setup process. So it should start in a couple seconds. As you can see, the new logo, Kodi, no longer XBMC, also up here. And then yeah, still the interface is not that different, but yeah. All right, guys, let's get right to business. Sorry, go back. So okay, so from here we're gonna go to. I'm just gonna try to get my parents to what's it called, windowed view, so I can do some other things. So parents, and I'm gonna go to startup window. Or no, not startup windows. What am I doing? Okay, looks like they moved it. Oh, sorry. It was definitely in settings. I'm sorry, system settings. I didn't check that. That was my bad. Okay, so yeah, full screen, and then we can just switch to windowed right there, and you can see it's in windowed view now. So just if you're trying to get yours to windowed view, that's like a short tutorial within a tutorial right now. All right, let's get right to the setup process. So from system, we go to file manager. We're gonna add 3 sources today. These sources are gonna be in the description, so don't worry if you can't get them. If you can't catch them right now. First one's HTTP semicolon 2 front slashes, forward slashes, and fusion .tv add-ons.ag. That's the first one. We're gonna name this. Sorry, we're gonna done, and we're gonna name this because we have to enter a name for every source we install. We're gonna name this the fusion, and then done, and then from there we're gonna go okay. That's installed right there. Our next source is gonna be HTTP semicolon 2 forward slashes xfinity dot xunity talk.com. And then as you can see, why do I keep doing that? Yeah, you just click done, and then you open up the name in space again, and then we just call this the Xfinity. And then we go done again, then okay, so that's saved as well. Then the last one we're gonna add is my favorite. That is super repo. So that's gonna be HTTP semicolon 2 forward slashes as usual, and srp It's the shortest, and it gives you a lot of add-ons. That's what it does. And then we're gonna name this the super repo or repository, whatever. I'll just name mine the super repo. Done. You can name it whatever you want. It doesn't change what it's gonna do. So yeah, and then okay. And then as you can see, we've got all three of them right now. And now from here we go back, we hit the home button right now, and then that takes us back right to the home page. First thing we're gonna install, first thing we're gonna do is go to system, or second thing we're gonna do is system settings, and then add-ons, and then we're gonna okay, and then we're gonna go to install from zip file. Now we've got all three of our sources right here. We're going to start with the Fusion. Open that up, and then we're going to go to start here. Then we're going to install the hub wizard. That's going to give us config wizard, which we're going to use to customize a lot of things, and it's going to give us a lot of tweaks, and it's going to give us a maintenance tool, which we can use to like change a lot of things and get like wallpapers and all that. So it's going to tell us that yeah, as you can see, it says config wizard add-on enabled right here. And then from there we're going to go back, and then we're just going to go to programs. Then we're going to install the config wizard. I'm going to install this right now. It takes quite a few maybe seconds or a minute, but I'm still going to pause the video while I start it. But before that, so this is what we see. You choose your operating system, but as you know already, I'm using Windows right now. We're just gonna choose Windows right here, and then would you like to customize? Yeah, you just choose the yes, and then it's gonna start downloading. I'm gonna pause the video right here, and I'm gonna come back once this is done. So as you can see, once yours starts doing this, then you know you're on the right path. Okay guys, I'm done installing my my config wizard. This is the first thing that came up right after installing it, so don't worry about it. I didn't skip anything, I didn't do anything before that, so it's like right after, so you didn't miss anything. So from here, as you can see, this gives us a lot of things right here. As you can see, music, programs, and all that good stuff. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to system again, and then settings, then we're gonna go to add-ons, and then from add-ons we're gonna go to install from zip file again. This time around we're gonna choose the Xfinity, and then we're gonna install the XUnity Talk repository right here. Wait a few seconds, and then it should be there. Yep, there it is. Add-on enabled. Now we got that. So next thing we're gonna do is install from zip file again, and this time around we're gonna choose the super repo. And then we're going to choose Helix, since that's what we're using, and then all, so we can just get everything, and then all add-ons, and then from there we can just choose whichever one we want. So from here we just choose all latest.zip. Yeah, that's it. And then we wait a couple seconds as usual, and then as you can see, it's enabled right here. And then we're going to go back again, or just to home. Then as you can see, we've got it's one channel. It's gonna keep adding up. Super Repo is gonna start adding up some awesome add-ons that most people like. But if you want to add more, you just go to videos right here, or video add-ons. And then I don't like this view, so I'm just gonna change it to thumbnail view. That's what I think is better. Looks better, and yeah, we can see the icons too. So as you can see, yeah, there it is. So if you want more, we just go to get more right here, and then from here you can search for whatever what's it called, add-on you already know about that you want to get. So I'm just gonna go down right here, and I'm gonna try to download one right now just to prove to you that this works. Let's see. Alright, I'm just gonna choose Machinima. Yeah, I'll choose Machinima right here. So there we go, and I'm gonna install it. as you can see, it says download in, so it's going to take a couple seconds as usual. If it doesn't, I might have to pause the video again. Okay, looks like Machinima didn't work. I don't know why. It's probably not a functioning link, but I'm just going to show you a different one right now. Put Locker TV right here, or yeah, we can just use Project Free TV because I already accidentally clicked that. So yeah, let's just use that as an example. And as you can see, it's downloading right now. It's going to take a couple more seconds, and we can check to see if it's actually downloaded. So yep, enabled right there. As it says add-on updated, and then we can check here for Project Free TV to be certain that we have it. So let's see, there it is right there, Project Free TV. Okay, I'm just gonna test out the actual view ability of this to work. So I'm going to choose one channel to use this to test the viewing possibility of the new Kodi system. Okay, so oh, so yeah, this is like a first run message, so just ignore this and then just wait for it to, it's going to count it from 13 seconds and then it's going to open up. There it is. So from here we just scroll down. Well, it doesn't say anything there, so we can just close this and ignore it. And then yeah, we have it right here, and let's just go to movies. Let's try most popular. It's gonna take a couple seconds. Okay, so it's open, and as you can see, there's lots of movies to view and watch. Right here is the Twilight Saga. There's this Twilight Saga, Breaking Dawn. Yeah, it's a popular one. All right, I'll open that up and let's try that as a test to see how our system's working now. So it's opening stream. It's gonna bring up a bunch of links, and then from there we can choose whichever one we want to view, whichever one we want to use. Okay, looks like it's open now, and as you can see, there's videos. It says what kind of video or DVD. Sometimes it says HD or low quality DVD or whatever, and then as you can see, there's links and the amount of views, so you can use the amount of views to judge which one works better. And as you can see, this one's got 84,000 views. I'm just going to choose this right here and then see how this one works out. Well, it looks like that didn't work out, so we might have to try a different link. Alright, I'm gonna go with one of my favorite. Where is it? Let me see. Share 6 or all my videos. I'm just gonna try all my videos. That should work because that's one of my favorite. I use it a lot and it always works. Well, most of the times these things, they're not perfect, so you cannot expect them to work every single time. So I'm just gonna wait a couple seconds and see what happens. Well, that didn't work for some reason. Didn't even say. Okay, let's go with VodLocker. Yep, seems like this is working because it hasn't given us any error messages yet. So let's just hope for the best. Okay, looks like we've got our movie system, entertainment system working now. So yeah, I'm just gonna stop this right now. So just know to try different links whenever one's not working, and then you get one to work. Guys, okay, I'm gonna end here. Don't forget to like my videos, subscribe to my page, and ask whatever questions you gotta ask. I'll answer whatever questions you gotta ask. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.